Hi guys, in this class I will share a switch problem. As you know that we have discussed about switch statement, its syntax and example. Now I will provide another example about switch statement. Your concept will be clear. So example is that write a PHP program to check whether a given character is vowel or not using switch statement. This is a problem. For example, A is a vowel, U is also vowel. A is vowel and in capital when user provide also vowel. When provide AU capital, this will be a vowel. E is also vowel. When a user provide in capital way, also the message will be displayed that this is a vowel. For example, another character, for example, user provide a F character, then message should be displayed that this is not a vowel. Switch problem solution in PHP. Solution. First of all, I created a variable ch and its value is a. Any character you can provide. Switch and ch. I pass that variable and then I create a case. If case 1, first case, value is a, then I create another case. If in lower case, then this message will be displayed. It is vowel and put a break statement because it is completed one case and its values. Another case, if case E means if ch value is E in capital, and also you can create another case E in lowercase, then this message will be displayed. Put a break statement. If case I means if ch value is I, then you have display it is vowel in both case, lower and uppercase, and put a break statement. And then another case, if ch value is O uppercase and also lowercase, this message should be displayed and put a break statement. For you, lower and uppercase for both, it is vowel break statement. In default, when ch is provided, for example, this character is provided, you can see that no case I created for F. For example, this G user provide, you can see that there is no case that is created for this character. Then statement in default keyword will be execute. It is constant, or you can mention a message that this is not a vowel and put a curly braces end. So this is solution. I open Visual Studio Code and teach you how you can solve that problem statement in PHP. In a Visual Studio Code, create a new file and save this file. Switch problem solution .php. Now what I have to do, copy and paste here, just remove this one. Now I want to write here a basic syntax of switch statement. This is a switch statement, parenthesis and curly braces, and then I want to get a variable char, and here there will be any character, for example a character. So I provided a value to this char variable with hard-coded. You can also get value from user, and in switch statement I will pass that variable and create different case. In case 1, if char value is a, then I want to check, or I want to create more case. If char value is a but in lower case, then what you have to do, you have to display a message. What message? It is vowel, and then put a break statement. Break statement is used to avoid execution of other cases or remaining cases when case is matched. So another case I want to create case for E in uppercase, case for E in lowercase. It means that when char value is E in uppercase or lowercase, then this message should be displayed to user. It is vowel. So I want to, and also you have to put a break keyword, and then I want to copy and paste here. And then what you have to do, just replace this one I lower and uppercase, then and then again for O lower and uppercase, and also O U lower or in uppercase both. I created all the cases about vowel character when user enter a in upper or lowercase, u in upper or lowercase, both e in upper or in lowercase, then this message will be displayed. For example, user another character that is not a vowel. For example, user provide p or any number or any other things that is not a vowel, then what message will be displayed? I want to write here a default keyword and mention here echo it is not a vowel character. So open this file in a browser, just make a duplicate of this one. This is actually solution, switch problem solution. It is not vowel character. If I provide, so you can see the black a in lowercase, you will see that it is vowel, and provide in uppercase, then it will display message this is vowel. And in case of another character, I want to provide whether it is vowel or not. This is a vowel char. O is in uppercase, then this message is displaying here. For example, in lowercase, when provide in lowercase also it will display this is a vowel. So when you provide another char, for example, now it will display this is a not vowel char. So this is a problem solution in switch statement, how you can check any character whether it is vowel or not. So meet another class in which we will discuss more concept about PHP practically.